brand new PRISMA case unboxing. Okay, so we're gonna do about 50 cases. One, please give me I need something good, dude. My luck, all my luck, man. It's been really bad lately, man. It's time for me to get something good, man. All right. What would you guys do if we found out that Valve has a way of actually making your account never win? Like, they just fucking kind of blacklist you from winning. Because they have the power to do that, dude. Let's go. Come on. I need a knife, dude. I need something new, man. Because all I know is ever since, like, gambling went away, all my luck went away with case openings. Like, I don't remember the last time I actually unboxed something. I think the last time I unboxed something good's on my YouTube. When was the last YouTube video that I made unboxing from Valve something good? That's what I want to know. Big Shroud and Anomaly both got the same knife at the same time. That's fucking ridiculous. And Anomaly's I mean, then it can't be. They can't just do that. Because Anomaly's a scumbag. So if they do Anomaly, that means they'll still have me on there. Shroud got multiple of the same one. How come there's no YouTube video about that? Come on, nope. I don't want to sell it. Nope. God damn it. Come on, man. These new skins are pretty badass too, dude. I also want that other AK though, the Asimov AK. Let's look at these skins for a second. Look at these. The Emperor, the Angry Mob. I don't mind either of these. What's the new knife? I don't have. There's a new knife that I don't have any. I unboxed 20 and got 2 knives and an Emperor. Oh my god. I'm gonna do the old school where I just close my eyes. Here we go. Damn it, dude. Hey, we got what? One purple? One purple the whole time? How is this fine? Like, how's this fair? Valve, come on. Why did they do this to us? Ooh, what's in that? I don't gamble in Vegas. Ooh, I wouldn't mind that. This is actually insane. How? Oh shit, I need a lot more than 10. Life's been alright, man. You know, I've been okay. I've been trying to freaking get something good. I've actually unboxed a total of, I think, 20 before, and I'm doing 47 now. About 67 cases in, and I have nothing to show for it. Talon Knife Doppler. Oh my god, Ogre Das. That'd be great to open, man. Okay. Talon knife. How many different kinds of Talon knives are there? I need to do research on this shit. Let's go, boys. Okay. Fuck yeah. Finally, we'll slither in up. We'll use it for a little bit. You know what it should be, honestly. I know this might not be fair, but for someone who spends, like, there should be like a inside Valve should set, like, the developers should set something to where if a person spent more than $30,000 unboxing shit, they should have a better chance at that point to win something. Like anything. Like it's almost ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's actually ridiculous that I have to sit here and do that. Like, after a certain amount of money spent, they should give you better odds. Or make it 50,000. Give us a number. I'm probably closer to 50,000. I was felt very crazy with you. Thanks, Pudge. Appreciate it, man. I played like shit though. I should have played a lot better. I've been playing better all night. Just that last game was not good for me. Oh my god, dude, look at this endless row of AKs. Yeah, you mean you held B by yourself, bro. But you came too late, man. I was playing nuts earlier. What was the highest your inventory was valued at? Oh, maybe 250k or something. At one point, I had one of the. I think at one point, I had the most expensive public inventory in the world. Pretty sure, for an individual. Now there were always like these bot accounts that had like for gambling sites that had millions and millions of dollars in it, but my shit was for individual. I think it was the highest for a little bit. There was a time. But that's easy to do. All you have to do is just cash out all your gambling winnings into skins and just hold. Come on. Why are they still doing revolver skins in here? Yeah, Chinese private. There was a lot of. I learned more about the private inventory scenes. Middle. Boom. Best way to get gambling winnings to cash. It used to be OP skins. But now I think Gamdom. What's cool is Gamdom has a way you could. I think Gamdom you could actually withdraw in cryptocurrency, and then obviously, dude, it's the easiest thing to do is did it in crypto, did it in Bitcoin, and just instantly cash out your Bitcoin. Bitcoin is super liquid. Like you won't have enough money where you can't like. You could have $1 million of Bitcoin and you'll be able to liquidate it right away. Dude, I didn't see Shrouds 2 on. I want to see that shit, man. Oh, Drake Moon, those were the days, man. Alright, I need like, what is that? 7 or 8? Let's do 8. Is there probably Wispy Herd? I don't know exactly. There's probably a little bit of fee there, but it's still a quick way to cash out your gambling winnings. There's also crypto gambling sites. I don't know anyone, like, I'm not involved with any of them, so I don't know which ones are like legit, which ones are like bullshit. But I know there's some legit ones out there, man. You just gotta fucking find like a forum somewhere, find out what, you know, which one's getting vouched for. The one that has more people playing on it, like, that's most likely gonna be a legitimate one, because I think crypto gambling sites have to have, they have a license and everything. Oh my god, it's been terrible, guys. I'm sorry. I was expecting like a little bit more luck, This game is killing me, Smalls. Oh my god. What do I do after this? Like that's it. That was my plan. Trade ups. And I missed that. Of course, I can't even. It's okay. Gotta buy more. Just one more. If I buy one more right now, market. Here we go, boys. I literally have one more key. Bought the last case. Let's go. Skip it a bit. I don't know what to do. Do we do 10 more? Oh my god, alright. Oh my god. PayPal might stop, honestly, Valve might stop me from buying. Remember, I've hit this limit before, where Valve literally suspended me from buying anymore. It's like they stopped me, you know? Because I don't have any more gambling sponsors coming in, boys, like before, you know what I mean? You'll be automatically notified. Okay, cool. How many? Let's see how many of these. There's only 2 at that price. Really? That's it? Come on, dude. I need more. It's weird how that, like, there's actually such an active. It's so crazy right here. There's such an active economy in this that my shit's actually going up right now. I gotta actually change the price of my shit to higher. I actually have to go up higher. Beavis, no, I just realized you're right. If that happens, I'm screwed. If they suspend me from buying keys, I literally have to sit here and wait with all these cases for probably like 2-3 days. You look fat. Thanks, man. Winky Furry. Proud of you, bro. Must be a great, sick life there to just go in and talk shit nonstop to people online. Super, super awesome. Oh, baby. Let's start off strong, babes. Babs. Ah. Here we go, boys. Gotta get all up in that. Oh my god. Nope. Never ban that kid. That's a risk you take. You get banned if it doesn't hit. 69, alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right there. Oh my god. 7, 2, 7. 4 and 15. 1, 1, 1. Mobesity. Hell yeah. Okay, we got some pinks, we got some, I think that, oof, another pink, another purple, pink, purple, nothing. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick this and I'm gonna literally close my eyes. Okay, now the problem is, I don't know how to hit unlock. Okay, I have to do it. Oh my God. See, the thing is, here's the, you guys gotta understand something. Remember the cycle, right? I discovered the cycle. Once we hit a knife, we have to go quick. We can't celebrate. Okay, this is a pink. I like it, thank you. But we can't celebrate, we gotta go quick. Come on, come on. Let's go, come on. All right, it's at, these last 20 have been better than the first 20 we did, right? Or the first batch of the phases. We did a lot more colorful now. We did more pinks and more purples, man. It's only a matter of time before we did that knife. Easy friends. I know what I can listen to. This is the classic right here.
Bitches always slide on the low. I don't love them, but I slide in the throat. All my homies know to follow the code. And when you see me, dog, I ride with the foe. Henny on my grind, help me maintain. Money on my mind, how my chain hang. Shorty wanna ride, look like KK. Know I had to pass it to the gang gang. Baby, I'm just being honest. You know I can't keep a promise. How I pull up in the forest, cause I'm all about the commas. Henny on my grind, help me maintain. Always gotta ride with the thing. Sorry, but I like the way your chain hang. I just ran up on your sideline.